Oh, kia ora koutou. Call Paul Martin Takawingawa / Paora. I'm down here on Ngahiraka. I'm a crew member.
Tell us a bit about this waka.
This waka was built in 2005 by Hikanuku Mai Busby, who was a very prominent Māori leader from the north. And he built this waka out of love for a woman called Hilda, his partner. So this is a bit of a love story of two people that wanted to revive and get the ocean going, voyages back going for us as Māori.
Awesome. All right, we're going to take a bit of a tour now. So where do you want to start the tour?
Tauihu. We'll go up the front. This is our mast up here. So this is our main mast, and we call these a station, and generally you have 4 people here working these. This is tracing line. So we put our sails up on the tracks here, and these here we pull the boom up and down to tack. So most waka hourua are 2 mast. Some of them are single mast depending on which islands in the Whanganui Kiwa in the Pacific you're at. So designs change slightly, but this is a Māori design. This was carved up north in Oriri, and it's been used as a training vessel for Kurawaka. And we have a school now that people can come and learn. Celestial navigation, the stars, Ngā Whetū Marama, the moon, the planets, the tides, the trade winds. So we learn all about sailing from the elements, really. We have some nice nets at the front here where on a nice day when it's rather calm, we're able to lay in these nets here and enjoy sitting right at the front of the canoe as we sail along on this beautiful old waka. The waka's made of kauri, 2 big kauri logs. It weighs 10 tonne and it's 57 feet long.
It's only held together with the lashings.
Yeah, as you can see, all these lashings is what holds the whole waka together. So everywhere you look, there's lashings, and that holds the floor, the kiato, and the hulls together, the logs that makes up the canoe. We have the hutches where the sails are kept, food storage. So we always look at how many days we're going out to the sail around wherever our destination could be, and calculate how much food we take. Because we've got big chili bins here, we store a lot of our food. These are our veggies up here. So you can see under there we store veggies. Yep. Yeah. And we have our boom box, of course, we have a bit of music. Cook box. So this is the wainga. This is the area that we generally will stay and sail in this area. Unless you're asked to go up the front, we generally stay in this area, because you can imagine the wave coming up over the front of the canoe. It comes onto the deck, so you want to dry it down the back.
Yeah, it's the most sheltered.
It's the most sheltered spot, and this is where our hoi is. This is 24 foot long. This is what steers our waka hourua. Without it, we're doomed. We can set the sails at times and have the hoi just lashed to the side rail here, and that'll keep it straight. Now it sleeps 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hutches. There'll be people in those hutches asleep, and there'll be generally 5 on deck, including a skipper, which will often sit in the cons room here, and sometimes he's often caught sleeping sitting up.